Love and Life family. This is How the Body Works Part 3. Today we're going to discuss the body on a cellular level. Okay, so let's begin. As you know, the body contains 150 trillion cells. You could call these cells miniature human beings, okay? Because each cell is its own individual and each cell has its own individual task. They all work in an intricate connection to keep the body function properly. Each cell has a muscular system, a circulatory system, that's your blood, a digestive system, a reproductive system, a skeletal system, that's your bones. So cells can even break their bones. They have an excretory system, that is the enzymes that break down and eliminate waste. They have vessels, they have skin, they have hair. They even have a nucleus in the middle of them called a melanin dot, which is the cell brain. The cell even has membrane. It has its own mucus. That means it has its own defense system, right? So they also have a bladder, right? So if a cell has a bladder and they have a nervous system, if a cell has a bladder, that means it pees. If a cell has a digestive system, that means it eats and it poops. So each cell thinks, eat, and poop, right? And keep in mind that the word cell, what is that? What does that define as? It's defined as a closed place for where you put prisoners at. You feel me? So we are a single cell organism. That means we are trapping something. We have something in prison. What is that? That'll be your spirit. And how do you know you have a spirit? Okay, let's run this. Let's run this real quick. Close your eyes, respectfully. Close your eyes. They close. All right. Now, imagine a red apple. I know some of y'all imagination is probably in the dumpy, but imagine a red apple. You got that in your head? You see it? Okay. Now, your eyes closed. So what eyes are you using to imagine this apple? These are your spirit eyes. You feel me? Now, close your mouth. Don't say nothing. And in your head, say, I love you. Say, I love you. You said it? So what voice was that? Because you didn't use your this voice. That's your spirit voice. You feel me? So we need to have a better connection with that person because that's your true identity. This is just a coarse matter. This is just a vessel for your spirit, and it's trapped in here, which means we're probably living in a prison planet. Anyway, just a little quick spirituality. Back to the cells. Okay, so let's talk about the lymphatic system. So if your cell pee and poop, you have a lymphatic system that comes and sweep all that up, right? But if your lymphatic system is not working properly and is damaged, then the poop will just sit there and fall back on your cell structure wall, and then this is what we call putrefaction, when the cell starts becoming molded and fungus, and then it goes through the process called mitosis. And this is when the cell is like basically crying out for help. It calls cell preservation when it starts mutating and replicating itself because it thinks it's about to die. So this is like dead cell on top of dead cell, stuff like that. And this is where you get your fibroids and tumors, right? So we have to keep our cells cleansed, and your cell eats oxygen, vitamins, and minerals. You got to keep your lymphatic system working properly, and you keep your lymphatic system working properly by making sure your cells is eating its right food. You feel me? Fruit and herbs. They need electrical food, living food. You feel me? Dead food lowers your vibration, which makes your environment acidic, where any disease could thrive. You feel me? So let's see. Your defense system, your first defense system would be your bone marrow blood and your thymus blood. These are the first things that come out and attack any foreign invaders. So we got to keep our blood purified when we have some type of internal attacks. Okay, so I just wanted to talk about the cells because they are living things. You got to think like Osmosis Jones. You feel me? They have arms, legs, eyes, mouths. They breathe. They see. They intelligent. You really have 150 trillion U's that make up you. And if you were smart and if you cared about yourself, true, genuine love, you will make sure you're feeding your cells the proper nutrients. Okay? This is All Male Rob reporting live from the conscious community. I hope y'all got some understanding, understanding, and overstanding. I'm climbing on out. Everybody have a balance above day. Peace.